Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Show that 4, 2 over 3 divided by 1, 5 over 6 is equal to 2, 6 over 11. First off, we can change this from mixed fractions to improper fractions by multiplying the whole number with the denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. Now we add that with the numerator, which is 2, that's 14, and we write the same denominator, 3. 1 times 6 is 6. We add 5, that's 11 over 6, and this is divided, is equal to 2, 6 over 11. Now, instead of dividing a fraction, we can simply flip this, find the reciprocal, and multiply instead. 14 divided by 3 times 11 over 6 flipped is 6 over 11 is equal to 2, 6 over 11. Now, we can find the highest common factor of 3 and 6, which is actually 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Since there isn't a highest common factor between 14 and 11 other than 1, we leave it as is. 14 times 2 is 28, and 1 times 11 is 11, which is equal to 2, 6 over 11. Now we have to find the highest multiple of 11 just before 28 that gives us a whole number. 11 times 2 is equal to 22. We can't go higher than that, so we write here 2, and 28 minus 22 is 6, and we write the same denominator, 11 is equal to 2, 6 over 11. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.